today we're going to build the Lego City police car. How do we open it? Can you help me open it? I don't know how to open it. Can I help you? Yay! I got it all open myself. Can I help you, Noah? Please? No. Please? This is only for big kids. Please? No. No. I gotta go, guys, and I'm gonna go. Where's that piece? Where's that piece? I'm gonna find it. Where is it? Yeah, I find it. Police car. Yeah, no, the police is done. Where? Oh, no, that guy. Or the piggy. Where's that hat? Daddy, can you see the hat? It got so big. Roman. Yeah, no. And this. And no. Got that? Now, we're gonna put bear trap. Aw, look at the wings. No, it doesn't. It's crooked. Now I finished this, and now I'm moving on to the police car. We're all done, and this was real easy, and it was 21 steps, and I like it. That's all I want to say. Let's get the bad guy out. The bad guy went out of the car. Oh no. Camper coming through. Oh no. I say, where is he going? Wow. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Come back another time. Bye-bye.